Chemistry. As we know, there are chemistry all over the place, and it's divided into a various categories. For example, organic chemistry, physical chemistry, and analytical chemistry. As for today, we will talk about analytical chemistry. Can you tell when and where we use analytical chemistry? Without further ado, let's dive in and find out what it is. Basic analytical chemistry is employed in various daily activities such as checking the pH of household cleaners, testing pool water for chlorine levels, ensuring food safety through pH measurements, and monitoring glucose level in blood using basic chemical analysis tool. As for today, we will dive into checking the pH and acidity level of water we use daily, more especially around the UiTM Bukit Besis campus.
Tap water from taps and sink. Tap water is essential for our daily hygiene and cleaning needs. When we brush our teeth in the morning and before bed, we wet our toothbrush with tap water to help rinse away plaque and residue. When washing our face, tap water aids in cleansing away oils, dirt, and bacteria. In the shower, tap water cleans our body from dirt and bacteria, also that skin. Orange juice, a simple drink from cafe. A common sight at cafe near university is students and lecturers alike ordering hot water mixed with orange juice cordial. The aroma of this sweet, citrusy drink wafts through the air as the barista hands out of dozens of orders each day. Lake, the main attraction in Bukit Besi is Tasik Putri. This clear blue of waters of this lake draws students and villagers alike to dive, play, and swim every week. This popular spot offers fun and recreation for all.
Here we are at Tasik Putri, mainly used for recreational purposes by the students of our campus and the locals. The process goes by dipping the types of papers into 3 different liquids. We have collected all 3 types of liquids into plastic cups, and we start with tap water as the base for our experiment. We go through the blue litmus paper, then red, and finally with a pH paper. As you can see, there are no changes for the tap water. This indicates that it is neutral and we can use it as the base for our experiment. The process goes the same way as the tap water for the orange juice. The prediction for this is that it is acidic, and our prediction is met since the blue litmus paper changed into red, meanwhile the red didn't change color. Finally, for the lake water, not surprisingly, the color changed from blue to red, indicating the water is acidic. There has been a newspaper article made about how dangerous it is to swim in the water because of its acidity and density, making it harder to float nor swim. Based off the blue and red litmus paper, we can indicate just how acidic is a liquid. But how acidic? The explanation about the blue and red litmus paper and also the pH paper will be continued by the next presenter.
Continuing my part for the litmus paper test explanation, litmus paper is filter paper that has been treated with a natural dye extracted from lichens. This dye is sensitive to acidity and will change color depending on the pH of the solution it comes into contact with. An example, for the red litmus paper will turn into blue in alkaline solution that pH above 7, while blue litmus paper will turn into red in acidic solution that pH below 7. And this is the result that we get after we use the litmus paper test on each type of water. As you can see, for the tap water's result, for the both litmus paper, it doesn't turn into any color. It doesn't change into any color. As you can see for the orange juice result, for the blue litmus paper, it turned into red, and the red litmus paper didn't change to any color. Lake water result, we get for the blue litmus paper, it turned into red, and for the red litmus paper, it didn't change into any color. If the blue litmus paper turned into red, it is acidic. The pH test explanation. pH paper, also we call as test strips, is paper that has been impregnated with indicators made from mixture of dyes that can change color at different pH level. It allows for quantitative measurement of pH rather than just determining acid versus the alkaline. Basically, between litmus paper and pH test paper, pH test paper is more detailed than litmus paper. This is the result that we get after we use the pH paper test at the different type of water that we use daily. For the tap water, orange juice, and lake water, for the pH level, before we confirm the pH level, we did compare and match the color strip to the color scale provided at the pH paper package to confirm the pH level values. As for the tap water, the pH is 6, and for the orange juice, pH is 3. For the lake water, is pH level is either 4 or 5.